Sir has received National IPO Motivational and Special Mentions Award 2015 from Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman, Honorable Minister of State for Commerce and Industry. So in 2015 he has received this award. Then he awarded with Rail Mantri Raj Sabha Rajat Padak, so which is a coveted medal in their field, where the railway workshops these medals are given. He received the award from Mr. A.K. Lahoti, CEO and Chairman Railway Board in New Delhi on 28/8/2023. His other achievements are he's basically having 7 patents in his name. So that is one of the aspect which we should learn from them, that though they are working in the industries, then also he is involving with research activities also. So his inventions ranging from ocean wave power plant to various electrical, mechanical switches and relays, and recently received a patent for the invention in fluid mixer tap or valve. He participated in the Switch Global Expo, which was held in 2016 in Vadodara. His 3 inventions were selected out of 75 to be displayed in the Switch Global Expo. So at international level, the inventions that he has done has been selected for the display. Various cabinet ministers from center and state visited his stall. So we can see that as I said, he is having vast experience in industries. He is having the exposure to the academias, and he is involved with the research work also. So we have with us a very eminent person as our chief guest. So I would like to now request Mr. Vinay Kumar sir to have his speech.
Thank you. On the dais, Dr. K.V. Chatterjee, Dr. H.K. Daveji, Mrs. K.V. Mehta, distinguished faculty members and participants, I am delighted and would like to first thank Professor K.V. Judalji, Principal, Government Engineering College, Dahod, for inviting me as a chief guest on this auspicious day, 1st January 2024, on which the Faculty Development Program on Advances in Manufacturing Industry 4.0 Perspective for 1 week shall be starting. The course content like latest manufacturing technologies like incremental forming, microwave welding, metal forming technologies, rapid prototyping, AR/VR technologies, fracture mechanics, various advances for achieving Industry 4.0, etc. of the current faculty development program is really very good and almost meeting the present and near future industry requirement. Today we are in the 4th industrial revolution, also known as Industry 4.0, characterized by increasing automation using new technologies and the employment of smart machines, Internet of the Things, AI and smart factories. The informed data available helps to produce goods more efficiently and productively across the value chain. Industry 4.0 is revolutionizing the way companies integrate new technologies, manufacture, improve, and distribute their products with less manpower. Industry 4.0 also brings transparency and increased proper use of assets with controlled inventory and improves machines reliability. In India, we are far, I personally believe that behind metallurgical research and development. If India needs to grow fast, we must grow rapidly in developing indigenously various types of alloys, which is the backbone of many advanced technologies. I visited a few industries in which they are manufacturing, making basically parts of aircrafts. But to my surprise, they are bringing material from outside India. So मैं जिस कॉलेज में पढ़ा वहाँ मेटलर्जी एक ब्रांच है, जो कि इंडिया में गिने चुने कॉलेज है जहाँ पे मेटलर्जी भी एक ब्रांच है। और मैं ये कोट इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि मेक इन इंडिया तभी पॉसिबल है जब हम मेटलर्जी में आगे बढ़े, अदरवाइज हम डिपेंडेंट रहेंगे ऑलवेज अदर कंट्रीज पे। क्योंकि फॉर एनी इंडस्ट्री, आप स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजी देखें, कोई भी देखें, एक हम मशीन खरीदते हैं CNC मशीन, अगर इंडिया ने आपने खरीद लिया तो आपको रोना पड़ेगा हमेशा, मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट वेरी हाई। और आपने खरीद भी लिया तो कंपनी दुकान बंद करके दूसरी चीज़ बेचना शुरू कर देती है।